Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's topic is from compiler design, syntax directed translation or STD. Let's break it down quickly and clearly. So what exactly is syntax directed translation? In simple words, STD is a method where the translation of a source program is guided by a syntactic structure, usually represented as a parser tree or grammar. The key idea is this grammar rule has semantic actions attached to it. While the parser is parsing your code, these actions execute and produce some output like evaluated values or intermediate code. So remember, SDT is equal to syntax plus semantic actions. SDT has three core components. First, the context-free grammar or CFG. This defines the valid structure of the language. It's the backbone. Second is attributes. These are the values attached to the grammar symbols. They can be synthesized, computed from child nodes, or inherited, passed down from the parent. Third is semantic actions. These are code fragments attached to grammar rules. They compute the attribute values and build the final output. How it works. Here is the flow of SDT in 4 steps. Source code goes in, the parser reads it and builds a parser tree using CFG semantic actions fire at each rule, and finally we get an output like an intermediate representation. Now there are two types of STDs. S-attributed STD uses only synthesized attributes, works bottom up, and L-attributed STD uses both synthesized and inherited works up down. Example. Let's see a quick example with the expression grammar. Look at this rule. E gives E plus T with the semantic action E dot val is equal to E1 dot val plus T dot val. This means whenever we see an addition, we compute the value by adding the left and right parts. The val attribute stores the result and num dot lex val holds the actual number from the lexer. So for inputs 3 plus 5, the parser applies these rules, the semantic actions fire and the output is 8. That's STD in action, grammar rule plus semantic action. Quick summary before we go. STD links grammar structures with semantic meaning. Attributes store computed values synthesized or inherited. Semantic actions are code blocks that run during parsing. Type Two types, S-attributed and L-attributed, used in expression evaluation, type checking, and intermediate code generation. That's it for today. If this helped you, don't forget to like this video. All the best for your exams.